Hello everyone, this is Ankita, and in the previous video we looked at how to configure the kits in OpenSpecimen. In this video we'll look at how to use kits in OpenSpecimen, wherein we'll cover how to associate kit with a participant and collect their visit and specimen. And we'll also look at how to reuse the kit across the events and collection protocols. So let's start by first looking at how to associate a kit with a participant and collect the visit and specimen. So, in order to do that, what the user require is the kit barcode from the kit. So when a kit barcode is scanned or entered in the visit name field, OpenSpecimen will automatically retrieve the associated specimen requirement. So the users don't actually have to enter the specimen details manually. Due to this, the data entry becomes a lot faster and is more standardized. So now let's look at how this works in OpenSpecimen. Now, for example, a participant walks in for a follow-up visit, and you just pull up the kit that is present and start doing the data entry after the specimen collection. So how this works is, for example, this participant walks in and the visit is follow-up. I'll just click on collect button. The next step we need to do is use the kit barcode that is present on the kit to the visit name. So this is the visit name field we will be using. Add the kit barcode over here and click on the submit button. Now, this will take me to the specimen collection page. If we look at the specimens, all the requirements are pulled up and the labels that are present here are also pulled from the kit that the user will have or the kit that was generated. So once this is done and all the details are entered, the user can click on submit button and the visit and the specimens will be collected. So this is how you associate your kit that you have with the participant visit and specimens. So, important thing to note here is that the using kit does not change the specimen data entry workflow in OpenSpecimen. User can still follow the same process of registering the participant, creating the visit, and collecting the specimen. Kits simply automate the creation of visit and specimen records by uh, retrieving the predefined specimen requirements once the kit barcode is scanned into the visit name. So this makes the specimen collection faster and more convenient while the users are still familiar with the collection process that happens. Now let's look at the next part, that is reusing kits across events and collection protocols. So in some clinical studies, the specimen collected across the events within the collection protocol or across collection protocols can be same. That means the specimen requirement defined will be similar, right? So in such cases, and the same kit structure can be used uh, across the events. So in this scenario, the users will not have to sort the kit based on the events or collection protocol. They can just pick out the kit for the event for the participant that walks in and use the kit for that particular participant visit. So in this video, we demonstrated how kits can be associated with participants to automatically generate the specimen records. We also looked at how the same kit configuration can be reused across the events and collection protocols. Thank you for watching.